I have to drain my pool out because code enforcement is going to condemn my house if I don't. But anyways, this might piss them off even more. We'll see. Today, guys, I'm going to be building a shed. What's up? Yo. So I have a duplex, and I've got tenants, and my tenants have kids, and their kids have lots of shit, and so do they. And it tends to look ugly and be all over the place. So I'm building a shed for my tenants to put their shit in from here on out. So my shed is going to go right here. I got a little bit of 2x4. So today, we're going to frame up what we can on the shed with the wood I have, balling on a budget, and yeah, that'll be today's video, is just getting started on the shed project. So with that being said, I guess let's get into the video. I'm going to go get my screws, my tape measure, my impact, my 2x4s. I don't know if I want to set it right on the ground. I kind of don't. I was kind of trying to figure out a way, maybe cut little blocks or something to make here for little legs, just so it's not quite right on the ground, but I don't care if it's really on the ground. I don't know. I kind of want to prevent it from rotting as long as possible, and I feel like that'll help with it rotting and shit. So yeah, I don't know. But all right, let's get to it. Yo, boys. All right, little update on the shed project. So I'm using 7x7 as my dimensions for the shed. So I cut 4 pieces for framing in the floor, and I'm going to be also using these blocks. I'm going to attach them probably on the inside corners, I'm thinking, or set the whole thing on it. I haven't really decided yet, and that'll be my slight elevation rise to keep the wood from totally rotting in the grass. So yeah, I just cut those, and we're going to head out to the backyard with all this, and we're going to set that up right now. All right, guys, so here's our little frame for what the shed's going to look like. So I'm going to stick these around those 4 corners like that, and then raise that up to the top level of it to be flush. But I think I'm actually going to go cut these in half because I don't think I actually want it sitting that high up. So I'm going to trim these down. I'm going to take a measurement for center here, and I'll probably get 2 more supports, one here, probably one here, straight across. So I'll probably cut those up, get that, throw it all up, and then that'll probably be all I do today on this because I'm going to work on my truck. So yeah, that's pretty much my plan, and I got to go find some 4-inch screws or something a little longer because I got to get through that real good. Even though I'm going through there, I want to have something long. But yeah, so I'm going to trim those, get everything cut, get everything out here, cut to the time lapse, you know, me putting it all together, and I'll show you the finished product to end the video. So yeah, let's get to it. All right, guys, so I'm back. I went ahead and marked every 21 inches to space out my 2x4s because my overall length is 84 inches. So I'm going to put, one every 21 inches. So, one there, you get it. And here's my little blocks cut down to 6 inches. So I'm going to use those. So now I'm going to screw all this together, and yeah, let's get to that time lapse, you heard? Well, guys, there it is. I didn't even realize until now that I totally forgot to do this middle one, but I don't think I'm really gonna, just because I'm using all recycled old 2x4s that I got laying around to build this. Kind of a balling on the budget project of sorts. So I think I might just take some little chunks and do a bracing here, a bracing here, and a bracing here, and then just plywood it, because I'm going to use some thick plywood, so I think I'll be fine. And it's like not going to be used for a lawnmower as of now or anything like that. If it is, that's why I kind of want to have the bracings, so I'm going to do that. But yeah, I think that's going to end this video. Here's my basic layout of what my shed's going to look like. But yeah, I think that's going to end this video. If you like the content, if you're not subscribed, fucking tap in. Come on, quit being a pussy, all right? You're watching my videos, quit playing. You know you like your boy Justin, all right? So you might as well just subscribe to my channel at this point. And here, I'll even throw in some satisfying content for you weirdos. I'm draining my pool, and I will show you how satisfying the water looks coming out of the pool. It's a little soaked through here, but you're welcome. You're welcome. I think that deserves a subscribe, right? I have to take this down because of code. Fuck it.